por baban kisngi awan lam shipi da unang yalam ni
haka khat khnai tarik January arjar aphanre Chief Minister Conrad ke sangma ula plat yakat Khasi traditional mural harambai petrol pump Mawiong rem nakaliang jong Chief Minister Conrad ke sangma ula panpau yakajing khublei yakacheng samla maulai plun kabala priang yo maumer ba art husnem jong ka jing trikam jong ka ban shakri yakishnong maulai ki ba hap hapo jong ka maulai plun ula ong bakidan bon ki kam bakaseng samla kalale batre nak tak emlang kasalang kisamla ki don kabenta ka bakrau hak emlang kasalang haki kenhun ne ki organization ki prepare kum ki seng samla ki ilong ki badon kam hak di ka jok ka pamenta Conrad ulong ro bagi samla ki de benshim ka boy haki program bat ki scheme jaga sarkar jala ka badon na ka benta ki samla hak ban kentiu ye ki samla ka message ka bol ai ka long om tang ye ki samla ka maulai henry ula kentu ye ki wei pat ki samla ro bagi de benshim menta na ka benta ban kentiu ik emlang salang Bat bagi day ban yabe na kamanta ban try pat ban pen kiw yaki samla. Haba pen ko ti kajing kran ulong ba kajing pen I ya ka traditional mural kalong ban pen I ya cultural jong Khasi kabala ban kreng yaki nongwan Shanghai baki bawaran hapo Shillong.
Graciously having invited me to be part of this 20 years of service, as they say, to society. To mark these 20 years. And at this point in time, I would like to thank and congratulate the Singh Samla, Maulai Pilun, all the office bearers, current and also office bearers of the past, who have greatly contributed to society and especially to the youth of this particular area. Friends, for me as an individual and also for our government as a whole, there are principles that drive us in the way we work. The first principle that we follow is to ensure that we are able to take care of different sections in society. And the youth of our society is most probably the most critical. I won't say most important because all are important. But the youth are the most critical section of our society. We have a population of 38 lakhs in the state. And you'll be surprised to know that 18 lakhs of them are below the age of 20. In fact, I am in minority in terms of population. I think most of us are. Because out of 38 lakhs, only 6 lakhs are above the age of 45. Rest of the 32 lakhs are below the age of 45. So this is the kind of society that we live in, and the youth play a very important and critical role. And therefore, for the traditional institutes, our youths in our locality, the Singh Samla in all the localities, are very, very crucial and important for the future of our state. And if I may, they are also important for the present of our state, the present time of our state. And therefore, it's not just in words, but we believe in actions on the basis of the principles and the words that we believe in.
Where's Alex? You should also video.
Fine, isn't it?
Yes, stop.
Banyo iki kuwan baman kesni, sumhawan subscribe ika channel Unong Yelang News. Kublai shibu.